Satnam Yogis, congratulations on starting your new journey. My name is Kristen and I'm at the end of my journey and I'm graduating from YogaVision's teacher training program. And it has been challenging, it has been fun, it has been inspiring, and it's exactly what I needed. And I am exactly where I need to be. I feel I've learned how to practice as a teacher, but most importantly, I've learned about myself and I've been able to become more confident and be able to be seen better. And I feel like I've also found my truth through this journey and I've been able to speak my truth from my heart. And I think that's really important as a teacher, stepping into the next phase of this journey. Every session that you are doing on Saturday, I think, is created beautifully by Salimah and her team. And I think each one will sort of support you in a different way and you'll show up differently every time. And I think it's beautiful. And I think the most important thing I could say is don't give up, even if it doesn't feel really good. Sometimes it's not going to, but that's okay, because that's where true growth really comes from, and that's how you get closer to your heart. So Satnam, good luck on your journey.
I did not enter the program wanting to teach Kundalini Yoga. I entered the program wanting to start on a spiritual journey. And I did not really think I was going to become a Kundalini Yoga teacher. And that's how my journey began. However, when I started taking the courses and practicing the Kriyas, I realized how exciting it was to learn this medicine and how healing it felt. It just felt right in my body. And so little by little, I just started telling my family about it. I started telling my friends about it. And I was so excited about this yoga. I was already teaching yoga at a local gym, and I started bringing in the teachings to my classes. When I saw how the students of these classes took to this teaching, this practice, I was floored, because it meant that what I was feeling wasn't a lie. Like, they were also feeling the medicine. They were also feeling the benefits of every practice. So I began really taking it seriously as a teacher, but still staying true to my spiritual journey, because that was the original point of joining YogaVision for myself. After about 4 to 5 months in the program, I got into the depths of how powerful Kundalini Yoga could be. Third eye opening, uprooting everything you thought you were, breaking down the old image of who you were to recreate from the bottom up. Feeling very alone, because suddenly all of the things that you thought you were and all of the things you used to enjoy no longer resonate. So it was very lonely at times and isolated. But at the same time, YogaVision has a beautiful community of members and teachers that were there for you throughout the whole journey. And these people were also going through their own spiritual quests. So we all needed each other at some point of our journeys. And it was beautiful to see everybody come together globally online and just be there for each other. Whether that be another member coming online to help you practice a Kriya, or somebody available in the group chat whenever you have a question about the benefits or the side effects of certain Kriyas. If you ever needed feedback on any of the Kriyas you were learning to teach, there's always someone to turn to, and there was so much love for each other in this group, even though we've never met in person. And that was one of the greatest gifts YogaVision could have brought. The other thing I'm really grateful to YogaVision for is the way yoga or Kundalini yoga is taught through every class. There is an underlining understanding in all of our classes that there is an origin of yoga. It has come from India. It's come from someplace sacred. It is sacred medicine. And the roots of yoga are constantly spoken about and brought up and reminded in every single class we took. And this is so important because we need to remember that this is ancient, that we're not just embarking on this or stumbling upon it now. It's always been around, and it's for the betterment of humanity. But we have to pay homage to where it's come from. And we have to make sure that when we are reciting the mantras, we're saying them correctly, we're practicing the kriyas as they were expected to be practiced. And we are, when we tune in, we are tuning into a golden thread of teachers throughout the ages. And when you know that in going into each practice, it just makes every second on the mat more sweeter, because you know that this is something larger than your physical self. It's something that your higher self only can tune in with or understand. I'm very thankful that we've learned through that lens, because I think it also helps us pass on that legacy to the students that we're teaching. So when they are sitting down on their mat, they get to feel that presence of oneness and the power of this practice. That's not just for those 60 minutes. It's for every second after that. Thank you, YogaVision, for bringing me through this journey and for all of the beautiful gifts you've shown me along the way. I'm forever grateful, and I'm sure I will be back when I have more questions along my journey. Satnam.
Hello, my name is Nercy Sullivan. A year ago, I embarked on the journey of Kundalini Yoga with YogaVision. The power of this community with YogaVision is extraordinary. Their unwavering support and encouragement has been a constant source of strength. The wealth of resources and expert guidance with salimah provided within this program is an exceptional, like having a roadmap to a healthier and more fulfilling life. With each section, I have not only regained my physical health, but I also find inner peace and balance. Looking ahead, my next steps are filled with optimism and vitality. I am excited to continue the journey of self-discovery and wellness without doubt. I recommend this life-changing program to anyone seeking not just physical healing, but a holistic transformation in their lives. It is a gift that keeps on giving. I highly recommend Kundalini Yoga with YogaVision. Satnam.